Mattsa Furnace Company, a leading provider of industrial heat treatment solutions. With over 25 years of experience, we specialize in the manufacturing and servicing of industrial equipment for heat treatment. Our commitment to quality and innovation is evident in everything we do. Mattsa offers several products and services, from preventive maintenance of a furnace to complete fabrication, installation, and automation of large furnace cells for massive industrial production. All year long, we have spare parts and critical components in stock, and also offer the service, general or partial repair of heat treat equipment of any brand. This ensures that our clients' equipment continues to operate efficiently at all times. Think big. Think Mattsa.